In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu on airplane mode so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies even without an internet connection. Let's get started. To watch Hulu while in airplane mode, you'll need to download content for offline viewing beforehand. Start by connecting your device to Wi-Fi. Open the Hulu app, browse the shows or movies you want to watch, and look for titles that have the download icon. Not all content is available for offline viewing due to licensing restrictions. Tap the download button next to the episodes or movies you'd like to save. Once the downloads are complete, enable airplane mode on your device. Open the Hulu app and go to the Downloads section to access your saved content. You can now watch your downloaded shows or movies without needing an internet connection. Make sure your device has enough storage space for the downloaded content and keep the app updated for the best experience. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy watching Hulu offline.